Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to TikTok to your Dawn theme. Now this works with any other theme because this is going to be HTML that works for any theme. Now the reason why we want to show you how to embed TikTok is because TikTok is so powerful these days and you want to leverage that, and you want to leverage this proof. So if you haven't already, go purchase a custom HTML because you're going to need that for this purpose. The reason why we're going to show how to embed TikTok is because TikTok is so powerful these days for ads and also for social. And so we're going to show you how to add that to your theme. So let's get to it.
3, 2, 1. Here we go!
In the back end of your Shopify dashboard, you're going to have a theme here. It's going to look very familiar. And it's just very simple. So all you're going to have to do, click customize, and like mentioned, if you haven't purchased the HTML, go on and purchase it, and then it's easy and simple. So what I'm going to do is go and add a section. I'm going to add the EG custom. Now it's going to come with the HTML code, wrap and wrap, all these settings, and spacing. Now the next thing you're going to have to do is, if you haven't already, open up a TikTok. And if you do have videos, well, that's great. So we're going to use ours as so right over here. So there's two options. You can embed the whole carousel, or you can embed individual slides. I'm going to show you both ways, but I like the whole carousel itself. So in order to do that, you're going to have back end here, and you're just going to go and click embed. And you're just going to copy this whole entire code. I'm going to go back into, and I'm going to go into my HTML and paste and save. Once this gets saved, it's going to display a nice carousel. See how it looks? And looks really well on mobile as well. So they have a click option and also a see more option, which is really, really great on a nice slider. And then you can also scroll down and change the text here. And we can say TikTok made me purchase. Something like that. A good, nice, text, and then just save it again. So it's going to take a little bit. So it looks like that. And usually it's in the footer, so I already have one here. So this one, I'm going to show you how to just embed a single frame, a single video. So when you go back into here, click any of your videos, and then you're going to click on this embed, copy the code, and go back into your scroll up, paste. So now this is the only one that's going to be visible, this video, single video that you embed like that. So if you have a promo going on, certain video that you want, you can definitely add that here. Now the thing about this is our HTML is not dynamic. So if you want this, on per product page, you would have to create custom page. Meaning that if you're selling a coffee brand and there's certain coffee and you want only that video to attach to that product, you're gonna have to make a different product page for that one to show and add a section, add this HTML to that one, so it only displays on that product template. Then at the end, find that product template. There you go. It's really simple and easy. If you have any comments, leave a comment down below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment on the section. Thank you.